Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Let's make these beautiful flowers. So we're going to take yellow color of craft paper, make two folds and make this strip. Now again we're going to fold it from both the sides. After this we're going to draw the flower shape and using scissors cut it. Now you will get these 15 such shapes and paste all of them one after another using double-sided tape. Roll another paper and make a stick. Cut it from the top and bottom and paste it at the center. Now we're going to fold the flower and look, it's ready. Cut the leaves and paste it on the side and look how pretty these paper flowers are looking. Let's make these beautiful flowers. So roll a green paper and make a stick. Keep it aside. Now make multiple cut on the yellow craft paper. Roll it and the center flower is ready. Now we're going to take this red color of craft paper. We're going to fold it like this and paste it. Now roll it on the outer side of the yellow one and your flower is ready. Paste the leaves and it's done. First, we're making a mini yellow flower, so make multiple cut on the yellow craft paper, roll it on this green stick. Now we're going to make the red flower, so fold this red craft paper and make the triangular shape. Now draw the shape of the flower and cut it using scissors. After this, we're going to open it, make a cut and fold it, and look, you will get a shape like this. Curl the petals from the side. Now make 4 such shapes and put it on a green stick and look, the flower is ready. So take green craft paper, fold it, and then we're going to cut it from the top. Look how we're doing here in a triangular shape. Open it and fold it and look, it's ready. Put the leaves on the side and your flower stick is ready. Let's make these beautiful and colorful flowers. So we're going to cut a red circle, make multiple folds, open it and again fold it. Now we're going to fold it into half and using scissors we're going to cut it. Here we're using only one piece. You can also use a tape and secure the end, and then we are going to cut more such colorful pieces, total 6 of them, and then paste them together. Look how we are doing here in this video. Roll a green color of craft paper and make a stick. Paste it. You can also paste some leaves and look, your flowers are ready. Let's make paper flowers. So cut a red color of craft paper and then we are going to fold it, make this triangular shape. Now using scissors we're going to make multiple cut on the top. After this, open it and make cut. Look how we're doing here. Keep doing this. Now we're going to make a cut and fold all of them like this. Now make 6 such shapes and put all of them on this green stick one after another. Paste it using glue and your flower is ready. Now we're going to make the shape of flower. So take green craft paper, make multiple fold and then we're going to cut it. Look how we're doing here in this video. Fold it again from all the sides and make a cut at the center. Now put it like this, paste the leaves and look, your flowers are ready. Let's make this flower bouquet. So fold this pink color of craft paper and then we are going to make the flower. So draw the flower petal, cut the extra part using scissors and then paste it like we're doing here. Fold the petal and then paste it in a circle. Your flower is ready. Similarly, we're going to make a mini flower as well. So take this yellow strip of paper, make multiple cut, roll it and paste it at the center. Paste leaf and stick, fold it and make a bouquet, paste a bow and it's ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.